the grind don't stop, according to Cicely.
What's up, ATC gang? Happy Vlogtober day 20. So this is a collab called Happy Homemaking, hosted by Wanda Amechi and Just Being Sierra. So we were supposed to do maybe like a Sunday reset or show how we maintain our home. So for me, all of this stuff was just in my way and I wanted to clean up, and cleaning led to other things, which you will soon see. This is a box of like, okay, my kids are growing, so let me donate it. I was just ready to get it out of my hallway and get it all the way together. So if you want to see how I transform this space and maintain my home, keep watching. Okay, so I got this bad boy nice and clean, and I'm like, you know what can I do to make the most impact? Y'all see the first like lines of paint on the wall? That was me trying to be cheap and use an old brush that had dried out. Y'all, don't do that. Just do it the right way and wash your brushes out so you can use them time and time again. I ended up having to go to Walmart to get new brushes, but as you can see, the paint is gliding on beautifully now. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. It's all right. You got it off. Thank you. Y'all, it's something about that plate falling. It scared the mess out of my son. He got the hell on. But for anybody that's new to my channel, let me stop and introduce myself and say hello. Hi, I'm Cicely. I'm a disabled mom by way of sickle cell anemia to 2 young boys. You just saw one. That is my 11-year-old Caden. And I make content such as vlogs, decorating videos, hauls, and DIYs just to show you that if I can make it through life, through sickle cell crisis, pain, and hospitalizations, I know you can make it through whatever life throws your way. So go ahead and subscribe to join the fam, and let's tackle this thing called life together. All right, y'all, this was the most stressful part of like this process, was making sure these paint lines were clean. Comment down below, do you tape when you use paint? I don't have time for that. All right, so now that we got the paint on the wall, it's time to say, hey, what is the next drastic change? Y'all already know me. It's time to change some lights. So if you see these 3 screws, you just unscrew them to take the glass covering, the dome off. And then there are going to be 3 more screws inside the plate. That's what I'm trying to show you now. I'm just removing the light bulb because it's in the way. And once you have the 6 screws removed, 3 for the dome covering and 3 for the inside plate, these screws is what's holding it to the wall. So you can just remove the screws and pull the whole like light fixture base off of the wall. Guys, I'm so sorry for the camera angle. I was like just trying to record to show because this may be helpful for some people. I'm sorry I didn't have the camera, turned the correct way, but I'm just showing you the different wires. Those caps that you saw, that's what you use to twist on once you have all of your wires connected. This right here that I'm showing you now is the ground wire. So you want to have your black wire, your white wire, which is what I'm touching now, and then y'all just previously saw the ground wire. Don't be afraid to pull on these to stretch them out so that you can actually see what wire is white, which one is black, and which one is ground. That's very important. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and leave them in the comment section and I'll be sure to respond, because I want you guys to know you can do this. You don't need to, have an electrician. I can show you. So that thing you just saw me holding was the plate. This is what is going to get screwed up into the ceiling, and then the actual chandelier will be anchored to this. So as you can see, the holes where they line up, that you want to just screw in 2 long screws like I'm showing you here in these holes. Hopefully I'm making any sense. Like I said, y'all feel free to comment down below if you need more clarity. Coming up in a minute, I just wanted to show you, see the plate is missing right here. So what I wanted to show you was I am stripping the wire right here. I'm just taking a knife and pulling off the black rubber protective coating to expose more wire. And I'm doing that to make it easier for myself to wrap the wires around the other wires, basically, if that makes any sense. I wanted the wires from the chandelier to be long enough to wrap around the wires that's up here in the ceiling. So hopefully that made sense. I know it was a mouthful. All right, y'all, let's get back to it. All right, so y'all know we gotta pause for the subscriber shout out. I appreciate you guys. So if you want to be shout out, it's easy. All you got to do is join the fam and leave us a comment, and then you could be featured in the next video. So this comment is from the monthly grocery haul for a family of 4. It's from Ashley Marie. She's new to our family. Girl, welcome. She writes, "Your family is precious. I love the energy you bring, queen. All of your vlogs are enjoyable." Thank you, and I'm so glad you're enjoying it. All right, you guys, time for the reveal.
You said that you needed me, like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting.
Home decor, vlogs and more, Home decor, vlogs and more, Home decor, vlogs and more,
According to Cicely.